Hi, in this video I am going to explain my 10th experiment in Web Technology Lab. This may be the last experiment of this lab. Here we move on to the question. Here in this exercise we have to work with XML and CSS. Assume that we have to assume one web application as a book catalog that contains a record, that title, author ID, book ID, price, edition, publisher. Here we have some hierarchical diagram data model for this question. In library there are so many books for every book there is some specifications like title, author, like that we need to create using this XML and CSS. First I will show the output of my page which I have created. This is my page which I have created using this XML and CSS. Here I have entered the title, author, publisher and year, price and edition of the book. I will show the code first. This is the code. In PHP, what we have as a previous experiment in PHP, what we have done with we have started with question mark and PHP. Here same we have started with question mark and XML, and here we are using XML style sheet type is equal to text as classes, and for style sheet that means for for the changing the different colors and font size we are using this style sheet. And first we are creating one library tag in that contains so many books. For every book there is a different ID. Here first I created the one in the book. We have so many specifications like title, author, like that we need to enter this within the title, and we have to close the title. And if you are entering the author, we have to close the author, that using this authors in slash, and like that we need to enter all these types of books. And after that you need to enter if you are entering a second book like that in the library, you need to enter with book ID that which department it goes to, or we need to create with different items. And then for the structure, and here the book ID equal to CSC, and the second, this is the second book which I entered in the library, and it's a year is and price, that means edition, which edition is this we have to enter like that. And this is the literature, that second one which I created. Then book ID equal to CSS. We have to close the book, that means we are creating one book, means in the specifications with book ID we have to close with slash book, like that we need to I have created some books in this library. And at last I have closed it with slash library, and I'll show the CSS code. This is the CSS code which for the different colors, and for displaying some different style sheet in this. Here I am giving for author as first color, that means for every in the every of this sorry ma'am. Yeah, in every author which I have given subtext book, for that it will display the same color. uh, and for that I display display with blocks, and title given as font size, that means 35 pixels, display block color which I have given. For that, for every specification I have given some different font colors and font size and pixels, how many pixels we need to display, like that way I have displayed. And this is the output of the page as per I told in the starting. uh, this is the output of this page. Thank you.